Welcome to the third commencement exercises. Congratulations, class of 2026, and once again, good morning.
The academic community of National University Baliwag and graduates. The third commencement exercises of National University Baliwag is now declared open.
Today, we gather for the third commencement exercises of National University Baliwag, united by the inspiring theme, Sidlak, Shining Beyond Limits. The word Sidlak speaks of brilliance, hope, and power of light to illuminate the path forward. To shine beyond limit is not merely to achieve personal success.
Shining Beyond Limits ay isang hamon at panawagan na maging tunay na liwanag. Ang tunay na liwanag hindi nagkukunwaring walang dilim. Ang tunay na liwanag may lakas ng loob na harapin ang dilim.
As this chapter ends, dala-dala natin yung katatagan na nabuo sa bawat pagsubok at sa bawat tanong na kakayanin ko ba to? At ang natataging sagot lang na nababagay rito ay kakayanin. Again, congratulations Batch 2026.
Nagbunga ng ilang taong pagsusunog ng kilay, bumabagsak minsan, pero bumabangon muli. Nagbunga ang lahat ng inyong sakripisyo. Patunay ang inyong diploma na nag-ugat at nagsimulang mamunga ang mga binhing itinanim ninyo ng may sipag, malasakit, tsaga.
Remember that the future of our nation is not built by extraordinary people alone, but by ordinary individuals who choose every day to act with excellence and serve with compassion. Go forth and become the light that your families, your communities, and our country need. Congratulations, class of 2026. Mabuhay ang National University. Mabuhay ang inyong Baliwag.